Thank you, Arif, for your kind introduction. It's always my pleasure to join this kind of meeting. Now, I would like to give my opening remarks by addressing the distinguished guests, President of the Materials Research Society of Indonesia, Professor Evi Kartini, members of the Conference Organizing Committee and MRS Indonesia Management Committee, fellow conference participants, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my pleasure and honor for joining the opening of the International Conference on Batteries for Renewable Energy and Electric Vehicles, organized by the National Battery Institute and MRS Indonesia. Thanks to Professor Evikati and other members of the organizing committee for inviting me to join this great occasion. Joining the conferences organized by MRS Indonesia is not new to me. I am proud to say that I attended most of the conferences from the time when the very thought of setting up of the MRS Indonesia came to the mind of Professor Evi Kartini. Today, I am pleased to see that the progress made by MRS Indonesia in the service of materials research community and becoming a honored member of the International Union of Materials Research Societies. All of us should be proud of the achievements of the MRS Indonesia in putting Indonesia on the world map of material science research community. Hearty congratulations to Professor Evi Kartini and all others who made it possible. I take this opportunity to bring to your knowledge about some of the recent developments in IUMRS, the International Union of Materials Research Societies. For the first time, IUMRS Regional Office for Asia was set up in Singapore. It was for a period of 2 years since the beginning of 2019. More recently, that is from the beginning of this year, IUMRS head office got relocated to Singapore for the next 5 years. Thanks to MRS Singapore, particularly its president, Professor Timmy White, for bringing such a great honor to the region in general and Singapore in particular. As one of the gracious gestures of supporting regional cooperation, MRS Singapore made arrangement with two world-class universities in Singapore, that is National University of Singapore and the Nanyang Technological University Singapore, for hosting early career material science and engineering researchers from the Asian region for doing collaborative research. I would like to invite all young researchers who are at the conference today to take advantage of this initiative and carry collaborative research in Singapore with Singapore scientists. MRS Singapore would like to see some of you in Singapore soon for carrying out collaborative research. I would also like to draw your attention to the upcoming virtual international conference on materials for humanity undertaken by MRS Singapore. It will be held in 2 week time, that is 6th to 9th of July 2021. 8 plenary lectures, about 250 invited, and about 300 poster presentations will be made. While the plenary lectures are live, invited and poster presentations are going to be in flipped mode. You are welcome to join the conference. With these open invitations, I wish you all a very rewarding experience and thank you all for your attention. And thanks to the organizing committee once again for inviting me for this particular session. Thank you all. Have a great day.